G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I've got a recipe. Somebody sent me one from something and they said, Grego, can you please make this for your show? And I said, yeah mate, no worries. Actually, I didn't say that at all. I said, thanks for the tip. But before I get started, I know you're all looking at it. I know you're all saying, what's that on your head? Well, let's just say I had a bit of a surfing accident. Yeah, I know. Even us complete legends can be totally uncoordinated. But anyway, I'm okay, I hope. And if I'm not, well, you'll soon find out in this video if this recipe doesn't turn out. So anyway, let me grab the ingredients out of the fridge and let's start making this. All right, so what do we need here? Well, for starters, we need an egg because it's a cheesy egg toast, so I'll grab an egg. And I'll need some cheese because it's called a cheesy egg toast. Now I've got a few different plastic cheeses. I don't want that one. I'd love to use that one, but I don't think it's going to work. So I'll use this one. Yeah, that's the one I want. Ah, you ripper. Okay, so I'll grab that one. Now, some butter. Oh yeah. Now a lot of people always say, Greg, that's not butter, that's margarine. Well, it's not. It's got butter written on the front. Can you read? Probably not. Okay, and, well, what else? Some bread. Yeah. People are always going, Greg, why do you keep your bread in your French phone? Well, the reason for that is because I want to. Actually, it's because I live in the tropics, and if I leave it out, it'll be green, and I could probably use it as an antibiotic. So I keep it in the fridge because it stays fresh there. Okay, it might go a little staler, but I only use it for toasting anyway. Who eats fresh bread? Anyway, let's start making this. Now, when I say who eats fresh bread, well, you need fresh bread for this because otherwise, if it's stale, it's not going to work. So you're going to need a spoon, and we're just going to push the guts of the bread down like this. Beautiful. Now we grab our butter. Yes, it is butter. Yeah, but okay, it's got a bit of oil in it that makes it spread easier, but that's good. I mean, who has like butter? When you live in the tropics, mate, if I left butter out, it would be liquid. So I can't do anything other than keep everything in the fridge and make my life a whole lot easier. Isn't life all about making it as easy as possible? If it's not, then you're doing it wrong. Okay, so now we'll grab our egg. And let's hope this works. Please come out whole. Yeah, giddy up everyone. Yee-hoo. All right. Tell you what, this head knock has made me go wee. Okay. Now, get some cheese. And, well, we put that around the egg like this. Around the outside. Put your cheese around the outside, Is there a spot missing? Yes, over here. There's a bit missing over there too. So yeah, we'll fill all those gaps. You might want to leave like this open so the heat can actually cook that runny yolk bit. All right, that's it done. Except that's not it done. I forgot. You can add some pepper too. And some salt if you want, but I wouldn't because that cheese is going to be salty enough as it is. Now that's done. Now you can cook this in the oven. You're going to have to preheat that to 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 400 Fahrenheit, and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. 10 if you want the egg a bit runnier, and 15 if you want it nice and hard. But today I'm going to be cooking mine in the old air fryer. So let's whip out the air fryer thingamajig, and somehow we need to transfer this inside the air fryer. It shouldn't be that hard unless you're a real unco, in which case it will be very difficult for you, but you saw how easy that was. And now we stick this in, and because the air fryer is so efficient, you don't need to cook it as long. It saves electricity, these things. So I'm going to whack it up to the 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to drop this down. Now you can cook this between 8 to 10 minutes. I like my egg a little soft because I'm a softie. So I'm going 8 minutes. Hit start. And we'll come back when it's ready and we'll tuck on in. Alright, well, it's done, and take a look at it. I reckon if you did it for 10 minutes, well, it's going to be pretty cooked. But that 8 minutes, I think looks just right. So let's grab the old knife and do the old cut in half test. Oh, it's so crunchy, so delicious. And look here, you can see here the egg underneath is cooked. Well, cooked enough for my liking. I said I like it soft. If you want to do 10 minutes, then it'll be rock hard. And, oh, mate, everything's going to be rock hard. And inside here, look, it's still runny. Ho-ho! Giddy up, sunshines. Okay. All right, look at that goo running out. Oh, we love the goo. It's nice and firm and crisp. What more do you want? Let's go. Oh, how's that crunch? That egg is cooked. The yolk's a little runny. The cheese, well, that's a little crispy. Just the way I like it. And the flavour. What a great little snack for breakfast, lunch or dinner. And so super easy to make as well. Will you be making it? If you do, let me know down below. And if yours turned out rubbish, then, well, it's probably your cooking, not mine. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the